Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is hiatus. It is pronounced hi-a-tus and is spelt H-I-A-T-U-S. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Hiatus is a noun that means a pause or gap in a sequence, series, or process. It is often used to describe a temporary break or interruption in something that is ongoing. For example, you could say, the band took a hiatus after their world tour, or there was a brief hiatus in the conversation while everyone ate their lunch. The word hiatus comes from a Latin word, which means opening or gap. In the popular animated series Phineas and Ferb, the character's summer holiday represents a hiatus from their regular school routine. They use this break to embark on outlandish adventures and create amazing inventions. Synonyms for hiatus include pause, break, gap, interruption, and interval. Antonyms for hiatus include continuation, resumption, and persistence. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, hiatus. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.